When you're performing in a team or when you're part of a team, have you ever realized that it's tough to stand out in a team? It's difficult to make sure that you excel in the group as well as your individual growth is highlighted. Today, I'm going to talk about something very important to you where you understand how you can grow yourself when you are in a high performing team. When everyone in your team is performing on a highest level, how you can excel yourself out of them and be an ace performer within a team. The first thing which you need to do is make sure you take realistic target for yourself. Don't over communicate or over accept way beyond your capacity. Understand your capacity and take the task based on your capacity. See, it's a myth that if you take more work, then you can excel or you can be highlighted or you can be recognized. I would rather say take the task as per your appetite. The reason why I say this because the more you take the task as per your appetite, the higher chances of completing your task on time. And when you complete the task on time, people rely on you as someone who is a go-getter. So build yourself or your personality in a group as a go-getter. Right. Second, plan your work accordingly. Now, when you take a task, you need to make sure that you chunk out your work and make sure that you complete the task way beyond before or on time. When you do that, people know that you are the person who can complete the task on time and whatever task you take will be completed. They start trusting you, they start believing you, your status of professionalism is on a higher state. The third thing which you can do is communication. You must make sure that you communicate each and every aspect of your work, of your personal life, of your timings, of your breaks to everyone so that everyone is aware about your availability. If you are in a meeting, you make sure that you give your 100% contribution in taking a vital decision. If you are the one who is just keeping yourself quiet in a meeting and expecting that whatever you receive, you complete the work and you are a high performer, no, my friend, that's a myth. You have to overperform your tasks. You have to over communicate your work and you have to make sure you over deliver as per your expectations. You were hired with an expectations. For getting recognized, you must exceed those expectations. So make sure you follow all these steps, and if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I upload another video, you get notified. And I am on a mission to transform 1 million lives to make sure that I redesign the process, their approach with my framework and make sure they become ace performer at work. They excel their work to the next level. And like I say, version 1 is better than version none. So make sure you start building your version 1, start performing well within your team, make sure you contribute, make sure you over communicate, and make sure you take massive actions based on your capacity. Follow me on Instagram, and there's a Facebook link for my page where I share a lot of information. There's a WhatsApp link in the description. Join that group. I share a lot of information every day in that group. So make sure you take the advantage of these community. This is something which you will not, get anywhere else. So make sure you be focused, be consistent, take massive action, and be invincible.